Here I am demonstrating live display of step-by-step calibration method of digital clamp meter as per similar to multimeter calibration of Euramet CG15 guidelines. After cleaning, visually inspect the clamp meter for free movement of rotating parts, display and proper working of all functions. Keep the digital clamp meter for at least 30 minutes for soaking at 25 plus minus 2 degrees centigrade so that the temperature is brought to equilibrium. Before starting calibration, warm up UUC for at least 30 minutes and ensure that the environment condition is maintained. The temperature should be between 25 plus minus 2 degrees centigrade and humidity should be 45 to 75% RH. For calibration, I am using multi-product calibrator with current coil as a reference instrument. I will calibrate the digital clamp meter for 4 parameters including AC-DC volt, AC-DC ampere, resistance and frequency measurement. I have selected an appropriate code and connector. Connect the current coil 50 turns to multi-product calibrator. Place the clamp meter after opening its clamp inside the current coil and then keep it on the current coil in the clamped position. Now I am going to demonstrate the calibration of ampere range. As per calibration method for calibration of clamp meter, we need to select calibration point as 10%, 50% and 90% of ampere range of clamp meter as unit under calibration. Here I will calibrate 600 ampere AC range. So calibration points will be 60 ampere, 300 ampere and 540 ampere. Now I am proceeding for calibration. First I am pressing reset to clear any output from the multi-product calibrator. Then I am pressing 1.2, then A, then enter. And then pressing 5 and 0, then HZ. And enter on the multi-product calibrator to select 60 ampere calibration point. Now I am pressing OPR, means operate button of the multi-product calibrator. When I press the operate button, the clamp meter is activated and it is displaying reading 60 ampere against 60 ampere calibration point at 50 Hz. This is because current coil has 50 turns. So 1.2 ampere into 50 will give us 60 ampere. I am noting this reading in worksheet. This is first calibration point. Then I am pressing standby button to stop output of multi-product calibrator. Now I will proceed for second calibration point, that is 300 ampere. For this I am pressing 6 and then A, then enter and then pressing 5 and 0, then HZ, then enter. It means we have selected calibration point as 300 ampere at 50 Hz. Now I am pressing operate button to activate clamp meter and it is displaying 302 ampere. Again this reading is noted in the worksheet. This is called second calibration point. Then I am pressing standby button to stop output of multi-product calibrator. The third and last calibration point is 540 ampere. For this I am pressing 1, 0, 0.8, then A, then enter, and then pressing 5 and 0, then HZ, and then enter. It means we have set calibration point as 540 ampere at 50 Hz on the multi-product calibrator. For this third calibration point, I am pressing OPR button on multi-product calibrator and it has displayed reading 544 ampere. This is noted in the worksheet. Then I am pressing standby button to stop output of multi-product calibrator. In this way, the demonstration of calibration of digital clamp meter for 3 calibration points is completed for training purpose. You have to repeat the steps shown here for 4 times to complete calibration of this particular range. Similarly, we can calibrate the clamp meter for ampere, volt, resistance and frequency range.